The nursing home said that mom's injuries and her death occurred because she was old and frail. Do you believe that to be the case? I'm James Kapralos, an attorney with Parker Waichman. We had a case that was very similar, and we handle cases like this every single day. One of the cases that we had that went to trial involved a very elderly lady who was in a nursing home for a very long time. She was in her late 90s. Her son was also elderly. He was in his early 80s. Because of this situation where the nursing home resident and her son were elderly, they took a great deal of advantage over these people. They hid from the son the fact that his mom developed pressure sores and kept telling him that the downward decline in her condition was as a result of her being old and frail. This was a case when he came to us. He wasn't too sure whether or not there was a case because he was so convinced that his mom was ready to die anyway. However, we looked into the case, we investigated the medical records, and by the time we put everything together, we had to go to trial on this case and ultimately got a very good result because of the son's continuous involvement in the case. And because of that, we were able to get the medical records, do depositions of nurses, and their story did not make sense. Even though his mom was frail and was very ill, her injuries and her death were a result of their negligence. They tried to keep that from her son. However, we were able to help him. If you find yourself in this situation, we may be able to help you. Give us a call. Again, I'm James Kapralos. Thank you.